I'm coming!
Hurry! Come on, stop this thing.
I'm getting there! Oh, shoot!
What you say? That you only meant well.
Chicken escapes from Tweedy's farm!
Get the torch.
Now let that be a lesson to the lot of you! No chicken escapes from Tweedy's farm!
Where am I?
This is a pie farm, and we're the pies.
Chickens go in, pies come out.
And what brings you to England, Mr. Rolls?
Baked vegetables?
Guys, you are without a doubt the sneakiest, most light-fingered thieving parasites.
I want them all as fat as this one.
I want to be a pie.
Listen, shh, you hear that?
But you know that ginger one?
It's chickens, you dolt! Apart from you, they're the most stupid creatures on this planet.
Ahead!
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.
I don't want to be a pie.
You undercook fish, believe it or not, jail. You overcook chicken, also jail. Undercook, overcook. You make an appointment with the dentist and you don't show up, believe it or not, jail, right away.
I should turn you in right now.
You wouldn't. Would you?
Give me one reason why I shouldn't.
Because I'm cute?
My life flashed before my eyes. It was really boring.
Go! Get it? Go!
Mr. Tweedy. Mr. Tweedy. Mr. Tweedy! Mr. Tweedy!
What is it?
It's a pie machine. What? Pie machine.
What kind of pie? Pie flavor.
my favorite.
You idiot. Apple.
Idiot. Comfortable?
Not really.
Maybe this'll help.
Shoot! You idiot! His eyes are too close together.
Papa, please.
And he's a Yank. Whoa! Yank!
What did you do, you great pudding?
It's all in me head. It's all in me head.
Ladies, please, let's not lose our heads.
None. Foot's help me.
Tweedy, Mrs. Tweedy. It's all in me head. It's all in me head. No Tweedy escapes from chicken farm.